That one from Logan.
Yeah. Uh-oh, Adelaide, what's in there?
Keep looking. Keep digging. Can I help?
You can tear it. You can tear it.
Here you go. Look, look, look. Mom, that's Winnie the Pooh.
What is it? Ooh.
Ooh.
Is it bath toys? Fishy, that's right. Can you
Can I
say
help you?
thank you? Adelaide, can you look at Mommy and say thank you? Fishies. Tell Grammy and Papa thank you.
Fishes.